Imagine a world where you could mine cryptocurrency on your phone. No longer would you need to invest in expensive hardware or deal with the complexities of setting up a mining rig. Instead, you could simply use the device that's already in your pocket. No expensive equipment, no complicated setups, just the power of your mobile device. This is the vision that PiNetwork brings to the table, making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, everywhere. That's the promise of PiNetwork, a decentralized digital currency that you can mine with ease, right from your smartphone. But what does this mean for the future of digital currencies and the broader financial landscape? But can this ambitious project really deliver on its potential? The idea is revolutionary, but the execution is what will determine its success. Can PiNetwork overcome the hurdles that have tripped up so many other cryptocurrency projects? Can Pi, the network's native coin, reach the coveted $100 mark, even without being listed on major exchanges like Binance? This is the question on everyone's mind. The value of Pi is currently speculative, but the potential is enormous. Recent developments have ignited a firestorm of speculation. The community is buzzing with excitement and anticipation. Could these new advancements be the catalyst that propels Pi to new heights? PiNetwork's integration with Chainlink and Ethereum has opened up a world of possibilities. These partnerships are not just symbolic, they represent a significant step forward in the network's evolution. These partnerships hint at a future where Pi is more than just a digital asset. It could become a cornerstone of the decentralized internet. Imagine a world where Pi is used for everyday transactions, seamlessly integrated into our digital lives. But the path to $100 is paved with challenges. Regulatory hurdles, technological barriers, and market competition are just a few of the obstacles that PiNetwork must navigate. Volatility is a constant companion in the crypto world, and Pi is no exception. The value of cryptocurrencies can swing wildly, influenced by market sentiment, regulatory news, and technological developments. Skepticism lingers, fueled by unmet promises and a lack of transparency. Critics argue that PiNetwork has yet to prove its worth and deliver on its lofty promises. The road ahead is uncertain, and only time will tell if Pi can achieve its ambitious goals. So, is the $100 dream just a fantasy, or is PiNetwork on the verge of a breakthrough? Let's dive deeper. Join us as we explore the potential, the challenges, and the future of PiNetwork. The journey to understanding Pi's true value is just beginning. The crypto world is built on connections. These connections are not just between people, but also between different technologies and platforms. In this rapidly evolving digital landscape, the ability to seamlessly integrate and communicate across various blockchain networks is becoming increasingly crucial. Interoperability, the ability of different blockchains to communicate, is key to unlocking true potential. Without it, the crypto ecosystem remains fragmented, limiting the scope of innovation and utility. This is where Chainlink and Ethereum come in. These platforms are pioneers in creating bridges between disparate blockchain networks, enabling them to work together harmoniously. Chainlink brings real-world data onto the blockchain. This is a game-changer because it allows smart contracts to interact with real-world events and data, making them more versatile and powerful. For Pi, this means secure and reliable price feeds, essential for trading and DeFi applications. Accurate and timely data is the backbone of any financial system, and Chainlink ensures that PiNetwork has access to the best. Imagine Pi-powered smart contracts that can interact with traditional financial systems. The possibilities are endless. From automated loans to decentralized insurance, the integration of Pi with traditional finance opens up a world of opportunities. Ethereum, the king of smart contracts, opens another door. Its robust and flexible platform allows developers to create complex decentralized applications that can run on the Pi network. Pi developers can now receive payouts in stablecoins like USDT and USDC. This not only provides stability in a volatile market but also makes it easier for developers to monetize their applications and services. This integration bridges the gap between Pi and the wider crypto ecosystem, paving the way for increased adoption. These partnerships are game changers. They bring credibility and functionality to the Pi network, making it a more attractive option for users and developers alike. They signal that PiNetwork is serious about real-world utility and integration. By collaborating with established players in the blockchain space, Pi is positioning itself as a significant contender in the crypto world. The $100 question remains, but the path forward is becoming clearer. With these strategic partnerships and technological advancements, PiNetwork is well on its way to bridging the gap between the digital and real worlds. Volatility is the name of the game in the crypto market. Pi is no stranger to this wild ride. Recent months have seen dramatic swings, from a high of $2.98 to a low of 40.12 cents. That's enough to make even the most seasoned investor break a sweat. But volatility cuts both ways. While sharp drops can be nerve-wracking, they also present buying opportunities. The recent surge to 60.28 cents, with a trading volume of $157 million, shows that investors are still betting on Pi's potential. Technical indicators paint a mixed picture. Bullish signals suggest further price increases are possible. However, a dip back down can't be ruled out. The key takeaway: buckle up, because the ride is far from over. Behind every successful cryptocurrency is a passionate community. These communities are the lifeblood of any digital currency, providing the support, enthusiasm, and belief necessary to drive the project forward. They are the ones who spread the word, educate others, and create a sense of belonging among users. PiNetwork is no different. It has managed to cultivate a vibrant and engaged community that is integral to its growth and success. With over 47 million users and counting, Pi boasts one of the largest and most active communities in the crypto space. This massive user base is not just a number, it represents a diverse and global network of individuals who are united by a common goal. This is more than just a group of investors, it's a movement. The PiNetwork community is driven by a shared vision of creating a more inclusive and accessible financial system. Pi pioneers, as they're known, are deeply invested in the project's success. They mine Pi, spread the word, and actively participate in community discussions and events. Their dedication is evident in the way they engage with the project and each other, and contribute to the ecosystem's growth. They are constantly looking for ways to improve the network and bring more value to the community. However, this enthusiasm is tempered with caution. The community is well aware of the challenges and uncertainties that come with any new technology. Unmet promises and a perceived lack of transparency from the Pi core team have led to skepticism. Some members feel that more needs to be done to keep the community informed and engaged. Some question whether the project can live up to its hype. They worry about the long-term viability and whether the Pi network can deliver on its promises. The PiNetwork community is a double-edged sword. Their passion and dedication can drive the project to new heights, but their concerns and doubts can also pose significant challenges. Their passion can fuel growth, inspiring others to join and contribute to the network. This collective energy is a powerful force that can propel the project forward, but their concerns need to be addressed. The Pi core team must take these concerns seriously and work towards building trust within the community. Transparency and open communication are crucial for maintaining trust and driving the project forward. By addressing the community's concerns and keeping them informed, the Pi network can harness the full potential of its passionate user base and achieve its ambitious goals. Section 5. Building Value, Pi's Strengths and the Path Forward. Despite the challenges, PiNetwork has several key strengths that cannot be ignored. Its mobile-first approach to mining has made cryptocurrency accessible to millions. KYC verification adds a layer of security and legitimacy often lacking in the crypto world. The PiNetwork team is building a robust ecosystem. Their dApp development platform empowers developers to create real-world applications using Pi. This focus on utility is crucial for long-term success. The path forward is clear. PiNetwork needs to continue building its ecosystem, attracting developers, and fostering real-world use cases. Transparency and communication with the community are paramount. Section 6. Pioneers Unite, Your Role in the PiNetwork Revolution. The future of PiNetwork doesn't rest solely on the shoulders of its developers. It's up to the pioneers, the millions of users who believe in the project's vision, to play their part. Mining Pi is just the first step. Spread the word, invite your friends, and help grow the community. Complete your KYC verification to strengthen the network's security. Use the mainnet wallet, explore Pi-powered dApps, and look for opportunities to spend Pi in the real world. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to building value and driving adoption. Section 7. $100 Pi. The future is in our hands. Can PiNetwork reach $100? It's a question with no easy answer. The path forward is paved with both opportunities and challenges. Chainlink and Ethereum integrations have opened new doors, but volatility and skepticism remain. The PiNetwork community holds the key. Their passion, combined with the team's commitment to building a robust ecosystem, will determine the project's fate. The journey to $100 might be long and arduous, but the potential is undeniable. The future of PiNetwork is being written right now, and you, the pioneers, are the authors. Section 8. Disclaimer. Navigating the world of cryptocurrency. The information presented here is for informational purposes only, and does not constitute financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments are highly speculative and involve significant risk. Do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The views and opinions expressed in this essay are those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of PiNetwork or any other entity. Section 9. Join the conversation. PiNetwork's future is being written now. What do you think about PiNetwork's potential? Do you believe it can reach $100? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your network. Let's spread awareness about PiNetwork and its mission to create a more inclusive and accessible financial future. Use #vote2list on Binance to show your support for listing Pi on major exchanges. Together we can make a difference.